how to send a PowerPoint on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app in your Android. Now open the Facebook Messenger app. You can see the chat box of your Facebook Messenger. Different options will appear at the bottom like chats, calls, people, and the stories. You have to select any of the chat, and we can send our files from here. And I have to send the PowerPoint. Just you have to firstly you have to upload it on another, like I'm going to upload that profile on my Dropbox. I have opened that PowerPoint and click on it and share the link of that. You can see link of video. Just I have to click on share option. You can see there is an app of Messenger appear. Just you have to click on it, and you can like click on send. Now we are going to open the chat box of the Messenger. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Now we have come back to our chat box. You can see that file will be sent in here. There is a no option of sending any of the file directly from from your Messenger. Firstly, you have to create a link of the file, and you have to select the Facebook Messenger app and send it to person which you want to share on Messenger. Thank you so much. This procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.